heap sort. So today we are going to see what is heap sorting. So in heap sorting we are going to follow the maximum heap sorting procedure. Okay, so here in heap sorting we are going to arrange all the elements in ascending order, and we are going to follow the complete binary tree. Okay, so you are not going to follow as usual. Okay, so here we are going to follow the complete binary tree method. Okay, so here we are going to solve for maximum heap sort. Okay, so here first I am going to insert the element and also going to write the array. So this will be writing the array format will be useful while we do in a programming. So first we will write this, and we also side by side write the array, how it will be represented. So this is the formula. Okay, so I is the this is the I position. Okay, if it is in this point means I value is 1, this point mean then I value is 2, like that. So there are 5 elements, so I value will be going from 1 to 5. Okay, so the formula for calculating this is I divided by 2. So I divided by 2 floor value means suppose we are given a value 1.5 means, so at a floor value means we will take it as 1. So this is how we are going to calculate. So first I will insert the element 15. So 15 is being inserted into the element. So here I will write the arrays side by side. So 15, 20, 7, 9 and 30. So here I is equal to, so at this point we have inserted. Okay, so I will be at this position. So we are going to calculate with this formula. I value is 1 divided by 2 is equal to 0.5. So we will round it up and take it as 0. So at the position of 0, is there any value? So 0 value itself is, there is no position called 0. So we are not going to do any rotation or anything. Okay, so next we are going to insert 20. So 15. So here we are not going to follow binary search tree. So that is the main point. Okay, so we are going to follow the complete binary tree. Okay, complete binary tree means first left node must be inserted, then only right node. So all the levels must be completed except the last level, that is exceptional. Okay, so here I will insert the 20 at this position. Okay, so again I will draw this array. So here 15, 20, 7, 9 and 30 are here. So here is position. So I is now incremented to 1 position. So I position is at the 2. Okay, so now I am going to apply this formula. 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so 1 means what is? We have to compare this value with this one. So that only we are going to do. So we are going to, so this position 1 and 2. So 2 is to be compared with 1. So 2 is compared with 1. So always a parent node must be the highest node. Okay, that is the greater element should be in the parent and the smaller elements must be in the child node. That is the property of a maximum heap sort. So I will rotate this, swap these two values. Okay, not rotating, I am going to swap these two values. So after swapping, what will be here? 20 will go to here and 15 will be at this position. So swapping of these two values. After swapping, what will be here? So 20 will be here, 15 will be at the second position, then 7, 9 and 30. So next I am going to insert the value 7. So after inserting the value 7, 20, 15 and 7. So now again I am going to check. So I value is at the position of 3. So 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1.5. So I will do only, I will take it as floor value as 1. So I will compare with this value with the 1. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. So again now what I will compare? I will compare with this 1. Okay, so the pointing of this 1 is 20. So I am comparing with 20. So smaller value than this. So there is no change in the array. So next I am going to insert the element 9. 20, 15, 7 and 9. Follow the complete binary tree. Okay, 1, 2, 3 and 4. These are the names of this. Okay, so now I am going to check with this same formula. 20, 15, 7, 9 and 10. So we are representing graphs in this array so that it will be useful for calculating in the program. So here 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, these are the positions. So I value is now at the I is pointing to 4. So 4 divided by 2 is equal to 2. So now I have to check with the element 2. Okay, so I have to check with this 2 elements. So this parent is greater. Okay, so again I have to check with this 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. Okay, so now the value is 1. So again I am checking with this 1. Okay, so there is no changes because all the nodes are here are smaller than this one. So there is no swapping needed. Okay, so next I am going to insert the element 30. So after inserting the element 30, so again I am going to check with this condition 20, 15, 7, 9 and 30. So this is the array now we are having. So I will mark this. So now the array, the I is pointing to 5. Okay, so 5 divided by 2 is equal to, okay, so now at rounding off I will get 2. So I am going to, so this 5 will be compared with the 2. So I am going to compare these two values. So here there is a change in the order because parent value is smaller and child value is greater. Okay, so always the child element must be smaller than its parent. So I am going to swap these two values. So same thing we are going to do this. So I am going to swap this 2 and 15. So 20, 30, 7, 9 and 15. So this will be the order. Okay, so same thing after swapping what will be there. So I will write this here. So after swapping the elements will be like 20, 7, 30 will go here, 15 will come here and 9 will be here. Okay, so again now the pointing value is here. Okay, 30. So again 30 is at the position now 2. Okay, so I value is now 2 divided by 1 is equal to, I formula don't forget, I is equal to I divided by 2. So 2 divided by 2 is equal to 1. So I am going to compare this element with the 1 position. So now compare these two values 30 and 20. So again we need to swap these values. So the comparing these values, parent is having the lower element, so small element I am going to swap 30, 20, 7, 9 and 15. Okay, so I will update this array also. So now the array will be, so these two elements are being swapped. So 30, 20, 7, 9 and 15. So these are the positions of the arranged order of these elements. Okay, so now this is the array we have got. Okay, so this is a max heap, right? So that we are getting in this order.